The secret has been revealed. After this recipe, KFC will hate me. In a container with very cold water, I will add 500 grams of chicken drumstick and leave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we will put the chicken pieces in a colander. In another container, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and now it's just a matter of mix everything well. Just throw in the chicken, and to bread everything right, just mix it front to back, as I'm showing you in the video, for the chicken to be perfect. Once that's done, just return the chicken to the sieve and now just stir to remove the excess of flour. Ready? Now just add the chicken pieces in hot oil over low heat in a pressure cooker. Be very careful with the oil temperature and remembering that it has to be on low heat. Just cover the pan and let it fry for 10 to 15 minutes. If you prefer, you can remove the lid during the process to accompany the frying. Look how perfect this chicken is. Honestly, there is no way to resist. Super dry, crunchy and delicious. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.